The power cord passes through the cord protector as it goes into the tool's handle. The cord protector gives extra support to the cord, preventing it from kinking and rubbing against the handle. The cord protector is made of rubber and will eventually harden and crack. Once it does, the cord is prone to kinking, or the wire insulation can be rubbed through. Replacing the cord protector is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one half of the housing. I'll remove the screw that secures the door for the black light. And now I can remove the housing. Now I can remove the cord wires from the switch. I'll remove the cord clamp. And now I can back onto the new cord housing. Now I'll remove the cord protector. Now I can install the new cord protector. And now I'll reinstall the cord. I'll resecure the cord with the cord clamp. And I'll place the cord protector back into the housing. Now I just reconnect the wires to the switch. I'll place the switch back into the housing and tuck the wires out of the way. And now I can reinstall the housing. And that's all it takes to replace the cord protector on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.